Voter registration is one of the most underused locating tools in the country, and the reason it works is structural. To vote, a person must state where they actually live, not a mailing address, not a business address. A residence, attested under penalty of law and tied to a specific precinct. That makes voter files unusually reliable compared with most public records. They typically carry name, residential address, party affiliation where applicable, registration date, and voting history, which tells you not just where someone registered, but whether they have been active recently. The registration date is especially useful because a new registration is a direct signal that a person recently moved into that jurisdiction. Access rules vary considerably by state. Some make files broadly available, others restrict them to political or specific permitted uses, and some charge for bulk access. Working those rules correctly across 50 states is where most people give up. Our research team incorporates voter data lawfully as one layer in a locate. If practical information like this is useful, please like and subscribe. Order your search at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.